A suspected killer's fate is now in the hands of a jury. Arunya Rouch is accused of gunning down her Publix co-worker in 2010. Jacqueline Ingles joins us now live from the courthouse with more. Good evening.
Good evening to you. Those jurors are back in the courtroom right now asking the judge another question. It's the second time they've come out of that deliberation room in less than an hour. They want to go and review testimony given by the defense's psychiatrist. But you can imagine they have a lot of testimony to sift through. Over the past 2 days, they've listened to 4 mental health experts. Each of those experts spent a lot of time on the stand detailing, in their opinion, what Arunya Rouch's state of mind was during that shooting.
She said, I just feel like one side of me is really nice and loving, and the other side is really evil.
Arunya Rouch described having 2 sides to her personality to this state psychologist. Jurors must now decide what they believe was going on in her mind when she gunned down Greg Janowski. Did a woman who describes herself as sweet snap after getting fired? Or was she seeking revenge and plan out the crime like prosecutors allege?
She's reacting out of anger. She's reacting out of ego. She's acting out of retaliation. And that's what this case is about.
3 state mental health experts told jurors Rouch understood the consequences of her actions.
The information I have would not support a conclusion that she was insane at the time.
The defense's psychiatrist says Rouch was insane when she pulled that trigger. And her attorney went on to say his client was suffering from mental issues. He kept asking the state psychologist to tell the court about how his client reported hearing voices in the hours leading up to the shooting.
It was a specific command for her to get a gun.
Voices Rouch claims sounded like a walkie-talkie going off. Her attorney also tried driving home that his client wanted to die at the hands of police, something he argues a sane person wouldn't want or even try to make reality. Prosecutors told jurors Rouch did not have a death wish, painting what happened inside that Publix store in a much different light.
That is not suicide by cop. That's gun battle with cops.
We are anticipating a verdict to be handed down very shortly in this case. We are waiting here for that to happen. When it does, we will bring it to you as soon as we can. For now, we are live at the Pinellas County Criminal Justice Center. Jacqueline Ingles, ABC Action News.
Jacqueline, thank you.